In today's video, I'm going to take you through the process of setting up and using OKX Wallet. Let's get started. OKX Wallet is a non-custodial multi-chain wallet developed by OKX, one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges. Backed by the reputation and trustworthiness of the OKX exchange platform, it has been designed to suit the demands of both informal cryptocurrency investors and active traders. OKX Wallet is totally open source, which means that anyone can inspect the code. It is accessible as a mobile app, desktop program, and browser extension. OKX Wallet, one of the largest exchanges by volume, also offers its own self-custodial mobile wallet. Aside from the standard functions such as storing and exchanging cryptocurrency over 77 networks, you may also mint and trade NFTs, ordinals, and BRC20s across 11 networks, yield farm, and explore Web3 with their in-app browser, making it similar to a WeChat-like super app. Step 1. Download the app. To download the app, go to the OKX website and click the link to the Apple or Google App Store. The wallet and its centralized exchange are both packaged in the same application. But for the sake of this video, let's take some time to focus solely on the wallet. When you click Create Wallet, you will see three options: Keyless Wallet, Seed Phrase Wallet, and Hardware Wallet. Although the keyless wallet is the most convenient choice, we do not recommend it if you wish to self-manage your assets. So for the time being, we will remain with the standard seed phrase choice. You may be prompted to enable fingerprint confirmation. If you do, you will skip the password setup process. Otherwise, generate a secure new password and complete the wallet setup. Step 2. Funding your wallet. So now that we'll be on the home page, you are able to forward and fund your wallet. Click Receive, then select any of the various cryptocurrencies presented by default that you're interested in, then select the network on which you want to receive it. Copy the address, or scan the QR code from wherever you're sending your cryptocurrency, whether it's a different wallet or exchange. Step 3. Once successfully financed the wallet, let's take a quick look at the other tabs. Trade tab. The Trade tab is the first and has 3 more tabs. By default, you'll be on the Market tab, which displays the top cryptocurrencies and their prices. Clicking on them also displays a quick pricing chart, along with some fundamental details about them. Tokens are conveniently organized into groups. To add coins and tokens to your favorites list, click the star in the upper right corner. If you wish to buy or sell cryptocurrency, click Swap or Limit Order to navigate to the Trade tab. There you can use Swap and Bridge to accomplish swaps or perhaps cross-chain exchanges. Choose the origin and destination chain, token, and amount you are looking to swap. You can put a limit order for some cryptos, which allows you to choose a price to purchase or sell at, as well as an expiry period. There is also a derivative option, which allows users to trade using leverage. Marketplace tab. The following tab is the Marketplace. Check out the top NFT collections and the most recent mints, BRC20s, and Ordinals collections. Create Bitcoin inscriptions, buy and trade cryptocurrency P2P, and browse their Launchpad, which features hand-picked projects. DeFi tab. You can browse numerous yield farming chances for stablecoins, single crypto or multiple crypto, and vaults in the DeFi tab. When you find a pool that appeals to you, click on it to learn more information about it, such as how much you'll make, what network the protocol is on, security ratings, and other details. When you click Invest to deposit funds, you will be warned that you are investing on a third-party platform, which carries some risks. Enter the amount you would like to put in, and you're on your path to earning a yield on your cryptocurrency. There is now a BRC20 staking option, which allows you to put BRC20 tokens onto pools and receive yield. Discover tab. Finally, the Discover tab provides an overview of everything covered in the first tab. To explore individual dApps using their in-app browser, go to Explore, and you'll see 10 categories of dApps to choose from. Click on an app, connect your wallet, and then you're ready to interact with dApps straight on your phone. Relying on the dApp, you may need to click Launch App or Connect Wallet manually. You can save your most frequently used dApps for quick access. Finally, OKX Wallet provides a full solution for safely and easily managing cryptocurrency. Following this beginner's lesson will prepare you to understand its capabilities and make informed decisions regarding your digital assets in 2024. So you understand what we mean when we state it's a fantastic app. If you have a look at the OKX Wallet, let us know what you think. Is the diverse set of functions too awkward? Or is it ideal for one-stop shopping for the cryptoverse? What are your thoughts? Make sure you write all of them in the comment section below. Let's meet again with the next video.